Hi guys, welcome to Ibiza. I want to talk today about 5 tips to keep traveling cheap and to be able to travel, because so many people are not traveling anymore and you can still do it. You have to be careful and you have to consider some things, but please listen to those tips and listen till the end, because you're going to be able to travel and it's not that expensive. So the first tip I'm going to show you is don't think that traveling is expensive. Remove that idea straight away, because it's not, if you know how to do it. And the second tip would go hand by hand with this. Plan your trip, plan where you're gonna stay. For example, because I've been in London living for many years, the thing is, like, I have friends everywhere around the world, so I'm lucky enough I can stay in someone's place, which is amazing. But if not, I'm sorry to say this, but get out of hotels and take Airbnb. I travel with Airbnb many times, and if you cannot afford to have an Airbnb for yourself, a house or a place, rent a room with someone, because it's completely safe. You are covered if you are taking stuff with you, expensive stuff. You are covered, and there is an insurance. There is nothing to be scared of. And Airbnb work with feedbacks as well, so they make sure they treat you properly, because otherwise you can ruin their business. So Airbnb is an amazing option if you don't have friends in the place you are traveling to. Another tip would be to travel local, because right now so many frontiers are closed, and for Spanish people even more, but you can travel local. I came to Ibiza and I was in Bilbao, north of Spain, and it's amazing to come here. I'm on holidays, I'm looking for a job, obviously, like I say holidays, but in the end I'm working a lot because I want to end up moving to the island. But travel local if you don't want to go farther. But please don't stay at home if you like to travel, because it's a pity, because you can still do it. And it's an amazing opportunity for you to discover your country and local places, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing, sometimes even more than traveling far away. The next tip, it would be to be on a budget. The first thing I did when I came here is ask residents, where can I buy food at a normal price? Where can I buy stuff at a normal price? So there is so many shops, it's for tourists, so it's more expensive, but I made sure asking locals, I'm buying in the cheapest places, and I almost didn't spend anything in food. So what I'm doing is cooking at home. I went to the supermarket, I took some stuff, and I spend nothing, the normal you would spend at home. So you are on a budget and you ask locals where to buy stuff, you're gonna be at home and you're not gonna spend too much. Then regarding transport, you can use public transport, you can use a bike, or you can walk. I'm walking a lot because you need a car for everything here in Ibiza, but I'm walking wherever I can, and that's it, because I don't have more options. If I would have a budget, I would rent a car because it's the best option here, but I don't have it, so it's fine. I keep working and I walk everywhere. It's good for my body as well. And the last one is very important for us guys. Take the chance to shoot stock photography, because what you can do is, for example, I'm going to take pictures of Ibiza, people in Ibiza, landscapes, and that is going to be like an investment. I spent money on the trip, but then if those pictures are sold in the stock photography websites, I'm already recovering money. So it's such a good trick as a photographer to be able to use the trips as an investment. And saying goes, for example, there is so many ideas I'm not doing because I don't have time. For example, go to Airbnb, check places in Ibiza that they are free, and ask the owners, I charge you this if I go to your place and I take some shots. And you can put it a bit cheap and you can make money to recover from the trip. So I think there is amazing ideas to recover the money from your trips as a photographer, because as creatives we are very lucky with that. And there is many more tips. I will keep sharing these kind of videos, but these are the main ones, because I really want to push you to travel, because it's amazing, and if you love it, please don't leave it on a side. Travel local, and that's it. I hope you liked the video, guys. This was a quick one because there is people around all the time. That's why I'm looking that way, because people comes and I'm so shy to record outdoors. I have to get used to it still. So please subscribe to my channel if you like it, and I will see you probably next week, and I don't know when I'm gonna record. Let's see, surprise. See you next week.